Hello guys, welcome back on my channel. Today I'm going to teach you how we can crop any part of the image in a Canva on a minute. But before we dive into the tutorial, I have a quick favor to ask. If you enjoy my content and find it valuable, please take a moment to hit that small like button and subscribe to my channel. It really helps creating content for you. Thanks, and now let's get started. I know this one we can do it easily if we are using a different object and masking the picture, but there is a application which is called Choppy Crop. I'm going to the apps. Why you can't find it now? Oh, Choppy Crop. This one, I just need to start the application. So select an image. I just have to select the image. And now I just need to click any portion of the image what I would like to crop. And I have a kind of lasso what we have in a Photoshop also. And just selecting the points. And when I'm finishing, just clicking on the first point again. The application is cropping the picture, and just click on Add to Design, and already adding to the design. Meanwhile, this picture is already uploaded to my uploads, as you can see already here. So here is a final result. Hope so you like it. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. See you in my next tutorial. Ciao.